Meaning of ennoble.
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 ennoble,
Ennoble. Ennoble means to elevate or confer honor upon someone or something. When something is ennobled, it is elevated to a higher level of dignity, respect, and moral worth. Generally, ennoble refers to the act of recognizing and praising the noble qualities of an object or person, such as bravery, kindness, and selflessness. The result of ennoblement is the enhancement of status, character, and reputation. Therefore, when someone or something is ennobled, they become more respected, esteemed, and valued in the eyes of others.